Hi guys, so this is Range Rover Vogue AC repair. Actually, this vehicle come for an engine noise. Whenever the engine started, you heard a knocking sound from the engine. Few mechanics have checked it. They asked the customer to replace the engine. I was like, wow, engine replacement just like that. I was like, okay. Fortunately, the customer brought the vehicle to the workshop. When the vehicle got to the workshop, we started doing our troubleshooting. Lastly, we found out that the compressor that is bad. Whenever the AC switch on, the noise come off frequently, very loud, which can never be missed. So that day we work all night. This is around I think around 10 a.m. Oh sorry, this is around 10 p.m. at night. She's working. Mosquito, cold outside, but we have no choice. We need to satisfy our customer, we need to get the car fixed. So we walk after replacing the compressor. So start coupling back, step by step, start coupling back. You can see the front bumper is out, the front bumper, the front condenser, everything is out. So this is process. This is the state when we install the front bumper frame. You can see the front bumper frame was installed. The process where we are troubleshooting, we connect our system to clear all fault errors, which we did after that. So we cleared the fault memory, then later the engine started. You can see right here the bumper is fixed. Here the engine started. We test run the compressor. As the compressor is working perfectly, that there is no longer knocking sound in the engine. This is around 12 a.m. at midnight. You have no choice as you go on long drive that night, just to be sure that everything is perfect. Everything is perfect. You can see this is around 1:30 a.m. at night. 1:30 a.m. No sleep. We grind all night. You see. So thanks you for watching.